It's almost always deadly, and that's reason enough for health officials to closely monitor rabies, a viral infection that causes fatal encephalitis.
If someone gets infected, the muscle gets infected, then it gets into the nerve tissue, and then it travels to the brain.
We usually associate the threat with wild animals, bats, raccoons, skunks, and foxes, but another source is living among us.
Horses can acquire rabies. Usually about one horse a year in Florida acquires rabies.
This year is exceptional. In a matter of weeks, 2 horses in southwest Florida died from rabies.
This year already in this area we've had 2 horses, one in Hendry County and one in Lee County. We don't know if that's going to be a trend or if that's just a coincidence.
Horses aren't required to get a rabies vaccination because they aren't considered domestic animals, but that doesn't stop people from treating them like pets.
She'll nibble, sure. And they love to lick the salt off of you.
Ann Peters gives riding lessons and boards horses at her North Fort Myers barn. She's acutely aware of the rabies risk.
Oh yes, absolutely. If a horse is bitten by an animal that has rabies, it goes up their spinal cord right to their brain and neurologically affects them. And it goes into their saliva glands. And you're putting a bridle in their mouth and you're dealing with their saliva. Immediately it puts horse owners, veterinarians, anybody who's around the horse at danger.
16 people had a series of post-exposure shots after coming in contact with one of the diseased horses.
You do have to have the immune globulin injected into the site of the wound if there's a wound. And then you get a series of 4 intramuscular vaccinations.
The odds of a person getting rabies is slim, but the risk is there.
Even if the horse is sick, they really don't think of that, and a lot of people can be exposed.
For Lee Memorial Health System, I'm Amy Osher.